Synonyms: easy, simple, remark, comment, purchase, buy, start, begin, reply, answer, talk, speak, close, shut, lift, raise, wonder, roam, correct, right, precious, valuable, refuse, reject, receive, accept, choose, select, ignore, neglect, differ, vary, attempt, try, leap, skip, jump, affection, love, portion, part, bad, evil, wicked, easy, simple, completely, quite, forgive, pardon, agony, pain, frequently, often, close, intimate, occur, happen, happy, glad, authentic, genuine, meek, mild, gentle, without, except, necessary, essential, sufficient, enough, opponent, enemy, need, necessity, error, mistake, greatest, most, lazy, idle, sick, ill, suspect, doubt, hard, difficult, disease, die, announce, declare, beloved, dear, lifeless, dead, heal, cure, ruthless, cruel, obligatory, compulsory, gather, collect, inexpensive, cheap, eminent, celebrated, concise, short, brief, terrible, awful, purchase, buy, concerned, anxious, irritate, annoy, frightened, afraid, yearly, annual, unreasonable, absurd, permit, allow, leave, abandon, produce, yield, injured, wounded, feeble, weak, tired, weary, irritate, vex, join, unite, below, under, grateful, thankful, belief, faith, trust, work, job, task, motionless, still, acute, severe, keen, sharp, calm, quiet, swift, rapid, quick, specific, particular, admire, praise, about, nearly, powerful, strong, thin, slim, little, small, sick, search, spirit, soul, conceal, hide, damage, harm, produce, grow, profit, gain, nice, fine, just, beautiful, fair, independent, free, power, energy, keen, eager, illness, disease, fault, defect, risky, dangerous, full, whole, complete, shout, weep, cry, sure, certain, construct, build, advantage, benefit, enraged, angry, rectify, amend, reach, arrive, reply, answer, help, assist, capability, ability, goal, aim, exact, accurate, remark, comment, brave, bold, wide, broad, huge, big, start, begin,